Most videos about passive income promise fast money, easy money, or no work. That's not how it really works. So today, we're talking about passive income side hustles. No hype, no lies, just what actually works, what it takes, and who it's really for. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. It means you do the work once, or over a period of time, and that work keeps paying you back later. Real passive income is usually boring at first. It looks slow. It feels quiet. It doesn't feel exciting. But it compounds over time. And that compounding is where the real power is. If you're looking for fast cash, this isn't that video. If you're looking to build something that keeps working even when you're not actively working on it, this is exactly that video. If this kind of honest, calm content is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. It really helps this video reach more people who are looking for the same kind of information. Let's talk about two of the most honest, proven forms of passive income. Number 1, dividend investing. You invest in companies that pay you regularly just for owning their stock. You don't need to trade, you don't need to time the market. You simply own strong businesses and collect income from them over time. At first, the income might be small, but as you reinvest those dividends and add to your portfolio, it grows. Slowly at first, then faster. This is one of the simplest ways to turn money into more money quietly and consistently. Number 2, rental income. This can be traditional real estate, like owning a rental property, or rental arbitrage, where you manage a property and earn the difference. Rental income requires more responsibility. There are tenants, maintenance, and risks to manage. But it's also one of the most reliable ways people have built wealth for generations. Both of these take effort up front. Both of these take learning. But both of them turn effort into assets that can support you for years. There are other models too, like digital products or content-based income, and they can be powerful. But they are usually more active businesses. They require ongoing creation, marketing, and attention. They're not bad, they're just different. None of this is magic. There are no shortcuts here. It takes patience, consistency, and a willingness to think long-term instead of chasing fast wins. But it's real, and it works. In the next videos, we're going to go deeper into dividend investing and rental income, how they work, how to start, and what to watch out for. Because real passive income isn't loud. It doesn't brag. It doesn't promise overnight success. It compounds quietly while you live your life. That's the goal. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts or questions.